Hi guys, it's the moment we have been waiting for, at least I have anyway. Finally, you saw in our last Amazon box where we got Josh from Big. This is, as far as I know, 99.99999% is Becky Lynch, the Amazon exclusive. Let's unbox it. So also in our last video, I called this the cutter. Obviously, I know it's scissors. Joanne knows it's scissors. Sorry about my voice, I'm full of cold. But yeah, everything needs its own little nickname for the purpose of this. It's a cutter. And with the cutter, we cut.
Oh, cutter!
Well, actually, we stab and pierce, but you know, it's not going to be called a stab and pierce. So, unlike the other Amazon parcels we've got, this actually feels like it has some sort of protection, which is great, to be fair. It has. I see bubble wrap. That's a very good sign. Let's see. Let's see what she's like. Yes. So happy I finally got this. People were selling them for ridiculous prices. In fact, there's people that are buying them cheap from the American Amazon and then selling them for stupid prices on UK sites, which is unnecessary. Okay, moment of truth now. You know what? First... Ooh. Oh, I thought she was in a protector, but she's not. And to be fair, the sticker isn't as invasive as some of the promotional pictures is. Or are. Well, there we go. The man has arrived. Becky Lynch. Amazon exclusive. I think it's cost about £12 or £13. People are trying to sell them for 25 to 30 on UK sites, so avoid them. Just go straight to it. This must have taken a week and a half to come, 2 weeks tops, which is great, to be fair. If you look at the rest of the series, we've got the normal Becky Lynch, which I'm hoping to get at some point. Trish, which I'm not hugely bothered about. Elias I want. Brett I want. Undertaker I want. And obviously that we now have. And perfect space right there above John Cena. And she'll just slot in there. We'll put her in a protector. There. Also, you may notice Biggie and Xavier Woods. There we go. We've got Kofi Kingston on his way as well. We need to make room for that. But also, this is the thing that was in the other room. All stood up. There are gaps because there are some coming. We will at some point need another one. But yeah, I'm sure we'll do another video exploring all the regions of this. But for now, thank you for watching. The man has arrived. And hopefully, your subscription to this channel arrives as well. We're waiting. Thanks for watching. And goodbye.